Looking for some fancy new age earbuds? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Muzen Trickle. These are clip-on earbuds. They go over your ears. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it.
Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back. So we're going to take a look at the Muzen Trickle clip-on earbuds. So these, as you see, are not a normal kind of earbud. So this should be fun to check out. So packaging looks great. Bunch of information here on the back, right here on the side. Nice. Let's open it up. Inside the box, we have this little kind of box, this little sleeve. It says, what's in the box? Trickle clip-on earbuds, charging case, and USB-C charging cable. So let's see what's in this. Ah, nice. Our charging cable and a little manual. Charging cable is cute. It is USB 2.0 to USB-C right here. Not a very long cable, but why would you need that? So, nice. Our user manual right here, and it's a little thick, which is awesome. It looks like we're gonna have multiple different languages in here. Always cool, always preferred when you get that. Very, very cool. Nice. Next, we have the little charging case. It's got its own little sleeve on it right here. So let's peel that open. Cool. This thing is shiny. Very nice. It's got like a nice little glitter looking effect to it right here. Let's open it up. I opened it upside down, so let's open it correct. Very, very cool. These little things, wow, look at them. The charging case itself is nice. It's clean, it's sleek. Looks like they go in here and they push down and activate the charging. Nice USB-C, cool. And the earbuds, look at these things. We're gonna focus on just one of them. It's got the nice little Trickle logo thingy there. Hey, look, let's go ahead and peel it. There you go. These things look awesome. I can't wait to try them out, so let's go ahead and do that.
This is the Muzen Trickle clip-on earbuds. Feather light comfort, weighing only 4 grams per Bluetooth headphone. These earphones wireless Bluetooth feature a 2.5mm titanium C-shaped bridge and a 3D ergonomic design that fits any ear shape. Whether it's 10 hours of workday or an intense workout, these wireless Bluetooth headphones won't slip, won't get sore, and are only as light as a feather. Enhanced call clarity. The Muzen's proprietary call noise reduction algorithm uses directional sound transmission and reverse wave cancellation to block out background noise. These open earbuds are ideal for commuting office workers. Your voice will remain clear and private conversations won't leak out. Immersive audio experience. You can enjoy CD quality sound with wireless earbuds. Engineered with dual high sensitivity drivers and stereo soundstage technology. Ideal for audiophiles demanding lossless clarity, so every note from classical melodies to bass heavy beats stays true to the original recording. And it's got lag-free Bluetooth 5.4. It's powered by Bluetooth 5.4, so these wireless earbuds deliver seamless connectivity for gaming, streaming, and calls. With a 30-foot range and less than 60 millisecond latency, enjoy real-time audio sync whether you're jogging outdoors or binge watching at home. 38-hour extended playtime. The Muzen Trickle wireless earbuds Bluetooth utilizes a compact 300 mAh charging case that lasts up to 6 hours per charge for a total of 38 hours. So, are you in a hurry? Well, a 20-minute charge gives you 2 hours of playback, enough for your workout or commute. With up to a week of battery life, you'll never miss a moment and you'll never have to worry about battery life again. These things are great, sleek, and comfortable. Great job, Muzen. This is my first experience with clip-on earbuds. I've personally never used over-the-ear earbuds, and these are awesome. We want to give a huge shout out to Muzen for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.